Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a course from wishlist on Udemy. If you've added a course to your wishlist on Udemy but changed your mind, then here is how you can easily remove it. First of all, open up the Udemy application on your mobile device, or you can also go to udemy.com. Once you are logged into your account, from the main homepage, go to the Wishlist tab at the bottom of the screen. Inside the wishlist, you will be able to see your wish lists. Go ahead and tap on one of the courses you want to remove from the list, and it will open up this page. From here, you can scroll a bit down and click on Remove from Wishlist. Soon after you do that, the course will now be removed from your wish list, just like that. Your wish list is now updated, only the courses you still want to keep will remain. You can go ahead and repeat this step for every other wish list you would like to remove from this page. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.